Prepare to dive into the world of celebrity drama, where arguments escalate and end up in the courtroom. From social media spats to explosive legal battles, we're about to uncover some of the most fascinating A-list disputes. When celeb feuds turn legal, a look at the drama. In a world where fame often comes with a side of controversy, it's no surprise that celebrities sometimes find themselves in heated arguments. But when these disputes spill over into the courtroom, it becomes a whole new level of drama. Let's explore some of these high-profile cases and the stories behind them. Blac Chyna versus the Kardashians, a family feud. The Kardashian-Jenner clan is no stranger to drama. But when Blac Chyna, a model and influencer, took on the family in court, things got serious. Chyna accused Kim, Kris, Khloe, and Kylie of defaming her reputation and plotting to cancel her TV show, Rob Chyna. The show chronicled her relationship with Rob Kardashian, and Chyna claimed the family's interference led to its cancellation. The trial, which lasted 9 days in 2022, saw all 4 famous defendants take the stand. Chyna's lawyer argued that there was no evidence of her attacking Rob, while the Kardashian-Jenner's attorney presented a different story. In the end, the jury found that the family acted in bad faith. But since the show's cancellation was attributed to the end of the relationship, no damages were awarded, and the Kardashians won the case. Angelina Jolie versus Brad Pitt, a battle over Chateau Miraval. This divorce case between 2 Hollywood icons took almost a decade to resolve. In December 2024, a judge finally dissolved their 2-year marriage, but the legal battles weren't over. The former couple's home, vineyard, and winery in France, Chateau Miraval, became the center of a heated dispute. Angelina sold her 50% stake in the winery to a luxury wine and spirits group, and Brad sued her for breach of contract, claiming the sale violated their prior agreement. Angelina countersued, stating she was shut out of the wine business and sold her stake to Brad, but talks broke down over a non-disclosure agreement. The case highlights the challenges of going into business with a spouse and the complexities of shared ownership. As the legal battle continues, it remains to be seen how the courts will navigate this intricate situation. Amber Heard versus Johnny Depp, the trial by TikTok. This case went viral, with clips and dramatic moments from the courtroom taking over social media. The former spouses, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, had a very public showdown. After Amber wrote an op-ed about surviving domestic abuse, Johnny sued her for defamation, claiming she was the abuser. A ruling in the UK found in favor of the Sun, who referred to Johnny as a wife-beater. The case generated immense publicity, and Amber countersued for $100 million. In 2022, the trial in Virginia saw both celebrities take the stand. Amber's team argued that her op-ed was an act of free speech, while Johnny's team claimed Amber was the alleged abuser. The jury found in favor of Johnny, awarding him significant damages. Amber, on the other hand, received a smaller compensation in her counterclaim. The outcome left Johnny grateful, but Amber expressed disappointment. Nicki Minaj versus Tracy Chapman, a songwriting dispute. In 2018, Tracy Chapman sued Nicki Minaj, alleging that her song, Sorry, used lyrics and melody from Chapman's 1988 hit, Baby Can I Hold You. Nicki's team had requested to interpolate the song, but Chapman denied the request. Nicki claimed she had no idea her song used Chapman's work, and the matter was settled out of court with Nicki paying $450,000. Nicolas Cage versus Kathleen Turner, an on-screen romance gone sour. Their chemistry in Peggy Sue Got Married didn't translate to real life. Kathleen Turner's autobiography made some explosive claims about Nicolas Cage, including drunk driving and stealing a dog. Nicolas won an apology and damages, while the publisher and the Daily Mail also apologized and paid his legal fees. Radiohead versus Lana Del Rey, a battle of songwriters. Radiohead accused Lana Del Rey of copying their song Creep for her track Get Free. The case sparked public debate, with some hearing similarities and others arguing that it's challenging to be completely unique in music. Interestingly, Radiohead had faced similar claims for Creep, The matter was settled privately, but Lana's comment at a festival, "Now that my lawsuit's over, I can sing that song anytime," left many wondering. Rebekah Vardy versus Coleen Rooney, the Wagatha Christie scandal. This case, dubbed Wagatha Christie, involved two wives of prominent football players. Coleen Rooney accused Rebekah Vardy of leaking stories about her to the press, and the resulting legal battle made headlines. The trial in 2022 saw intense scrutiny of both parties, and in a damning judgment, the court found Vardy's evidence inconsistent and implausible. Vardy's action failed, and she had to pay her own legal costs and a portion of Rooney's. These celebrity cases showcase the complex and often controversial nature of legal disputes. From family feuds to songwriting battles, each story has its own unique twists and turns. As we explore these A-list arguments, it's a reminder that even in the world of fame, personal disputes can have far-reaching consequences. So what do you think? Are these cases a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the rich and famous, or do they highlight the darker side of celebrity culture? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.